Hi, my name's Tom Waddington. I'm a ski coach and I've been working with skiers of all types, from holiday makers to elite athletes. I specialize in ski technique and also physical preparation for skiing. I've created a program called the 3D Ski Fitness Matrix. And this is basically bringing a lot of my experience together. It's from the teachings of Gary Ward and his flow motion model. And the idea is that it brings a holistic picture to physical training for skiing. And also it's like a body interview. It's like checking in with your own body to see its limitations, where it might not want to move or space it's not moved before. And the idea is that you can create your own program with these exercises depending on your weaknesses or perhaps mobility issues. And this will allow you to have a better understanding of your body when you then go skiing. And it includes lots of different exercises. We work on some key fundamentals, and we'll talk about the 4 pillars of this program, where we look at strength, power, work with your upper body, trunk and core. But we'll also look at how your joints move through space and how that relates to posture and foot pressure. And when we've got a bigger picture like this, it's easier to understand why we might not be able to do certain things in skiing, or why we might have injury, for example. Something I've seen as a ski coach is that actually there are a lot of non-impact injuries in skiing. So a lot of back pain, muscle pain, knee pain, not from collisions, but from skiing itself. So we ask better questions as to, well, why is that pain happening? We move away from that pain treatment cycle where it's, I've got pain, treat it, but maybe look at some of the underlying causes of that pain. So what is the 3D Ski Fitness Matrix? Well, 3D means 3 dimensions, and actually in skiing, we move through 3 planes of movement or 3 dimensions at high speeds with lots of force, because we're going against gravity. The 3D Ski Fitness Matrix is not only a way to train your body to be more powerful and stronger to handle these forces, but it's also a way to give yourself tools to look at why you might have limitations. It gives you the responsibility to check in with your body as to what joints are moving where through space. And one of the principles we work with is that joints move and muscles react, which comes from Gary Ward's flow motion model. And if we think about joints moving in 3 dimensions, when they do so, the muscles react to essentially control those joints to decelerate the movement. And this program helps you to think about overall joint movement and where you may be limited. And we do that right from standing posture through to joint check-ins, and then into our exercises where we look at unilateral exercises, one-sided, are we better at one side than the other? And this program covers increasing your power to weight ratio. We look at developing our strength, which is a precursor to power. We look at connecting the body from the foot to the hand. We learn how our own body moves. We train our bodies to move more in 3 dimensions. We allow you to choose the exercises and level appropriate to your experience. We work more unilaterally to highlight weaknesses. There are full explanations of techniques. We use cheap equipment and easy access terrain that can be done anywhere, so it doesn't necessarily have to be a fancy gym. The exercises are easily scalable. We work a lot with the foot. There are 33 joints in the foot, and a lot of exercise programs don't talk about how the foot moves in relation to the rest of the body. Ultimately, it's a program that is a journey so you can explore your own body and movement, so you can take that into skiing and hopefully move more efficiently with less risk of injury and be more adaptable and able to handle the demands of skiing, and in the end perform better.